What's up, Magisto family? I'm Cindy, your head of community here at Magisto, and today we have some really exciting news. We have 3 new editing styles dropping, and here's the best part. They are available to all users. Yes, you heard that right, all users. We have our Halloween editing style, our horror editing style, and our comics editing style. And I've been playing around with these. They are super neat just to add some text and watch as you flip it around to turn it into a really crisp, professional, spooky video just in time for Halloween. Highly recommend following us at Magisto app and checking out our Explore page to see our feed with tons of user videos for inspiration. These are available again for all users. We also have another announcement today that we have 3 new templates as well. So these are kind of plug and play, really quick marketing videos that are already ready for you. They can be downloaded in 2 minutes. They're super easy to use. You can use them as is, or you can upload your logo, change a few titles around, and customize them that way. This is available for our business and professional users. If you are not a business or professional user, you can download our app and start a free trial to check out those tiers. I highly recommend the business tier because it comes with our iStock stock footage by Getty. It's absolutely incredible. If you haven't checked it out, definitely do that. And we also know that getting feedback from you guys, some of the hardest things to do is really just get started. So whether you're scared of being on camera or you don't know if you have the right equipment or all you have is a smartphone, that's okay. And I am here to tell you that we have so much help for you at blog.magisto.com. We have articles on how to get started and, what to do with your videos after. So be sure to check that out. We also have our help center at help.magisto.com. And this is great if you are, looking for a quick question and you're not sure where a button is or something like that. Definitely check that out as well. So really exciting things, really creative things to do with video here. And we're so excited to share these with you guys. Be sure to reach out to me on social if you have questions. Again, I'm at Magisto app on Instagram. Really excited to see what you guys come up with. So happy Halloween!